Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, my name is Tiffani Beaston from Beauty and the Beastons, and I upload every Tuesday and Sunday. But today we are doing a nightly cleaning routine. I am a mom of 4, so there's always something to clean. I wanted to start off with what I clean right away, and that's when the kids go home from school. I just clean out their bento boxes to make sure that they are nice and dry for the following morning. Now that that's done, I'm just going to spray the inside of their lunchbox with some thieves cleaner and wipe it down. You'll see there's only 2 here, not 3, because Carter bought lunch on this particular day, and what a game changer it is when your kids can buy lunch. It's amazing. So you guys know that Chris and I are doing E2M fitness, so our dinners have been a little different than the kids. The kids had tacos this night. Shocker, we know that my kids love tacos. So I just kind of wanted to show you how I'm handling doing the veggies and our meal on top of cleaning up what they had eaten. So it's kind of like I'm cooking our meal and cleaning up their meal at the same time. Clearly, Everly thoroughly enjoyed her tacos. All of my kids do. It's lucky because it's like one of our staple meals that we have every single week. What's something that you guys have every week? When I was growing up, we always had spaghetti at least once a week and things like that. But I know everybody has their own little things they fall back on. But now I'm just putting away all of the leftovers because they will eat this again. And also, then you're going to see like a really scary image, and that's actually of my Robo Rock vacuum. So I have that going, and yeah, that's everything that's in there. That thing works. So even with that, I'll still go ahead and vacuum a little bit later on, but I do like to just have it go while they're eating, and you know, it's just like part of our nightly routine. You can see it's dark out now and the kids are asleep. I'm just putting away some of these dishes so that I can go ahead and wash the rest of them. I love just doing plain lavender at night, but since it is like back to school and like cold and flu season, I like to do thieves at night. So I'm just putting a couple drops of thieves in the diffuser, and I'm going to have that going while I do the dishes. Alright, so I'm just loading up the dishwasher and hand washing some of the items in here as well. And you'll see here that I'm running low on like the little dishwasher detergent pods. So if you're watching this, remind me to get some detergent pods. But yeah, that is the next slide. I can see it here as I'm editing, and I forgot to put that on my grocery list. But yeah, we use I think it's by 7th generation. Sometimes I have just like buy the store brand, but we use like the unscented, most natural pod that we can find, just because we try to be really low tox, which means just like low toxins in our life. So we try where we can. I would love to know if you guys run your dishwasher before bed or in the morning. I've seen some people say they run theirs twice a day. We're not there yet, but I'm sure with all these kids we will be there someday. We just do it at night and then unload it in the morning, and I always dread unloading it in the morning. I need to figure out like how to time it so that it can be done before I go to bed, but still be able to get like all of the dinner dishes. But anyway, enough of my dishwasher talk. Now that everything is clean, I'm just gonna dry it off and put it away. Moving on to the high chair, this actually does come off. I love this high chair, by the way. This is the Boone high chair, but this little tray does come off and you can throw it in the dishwasher. You can actually throw the entire seat in the dishwasher, but I had a very full dishwasher, as you could see, so I'm just wiping it down. I'm going to vacuum out what I can't get with my hands, and again, just using that thieves cleaner. Finally, I'm just picking up these last couple of items in the kitchen. That little stool they take out and bring all over the kitchen. It is really cute, but it's never put away. I just fold it up and put it in the pantry. I forget where I got that from, actually. It was either Home Goods or Aldi. I can't remember, but it's a great stool because it just like folds up like that. So now that everything's picked up, I'm just going to wipe down the counters. I'm showing you here on the island where they eat is the worst, obviously, because that's where they eat and they like to wipe their hands on the island. So got to get in real close there so you don't think this island is actually clean as it looks from afar. So I do just like to wipe everything down because there are like sticky things everywhere, and I just feel like it's the best way to start your day when you come downstairs to a clean kitchen. I'm leaving the kettle out because I'm going to make myself some tea later. But yeah, not every night do I wipe down the dishwasher, but if I'm cleaning and I see like something sticky or a bunch of handprints, I'll wipe down like a part of the island or the dishwasher. So once we're done here in the kitchen, I'm just going to go into the living room, pick some things up, fold up our blankets. The pillows and blankets are pretty much like always on the floor because that's just what kids do. But I did just want to show you guys, this video isn't as long as my normal videos. It's only like 19 minutes long, but the truth is my nighttime cleaning routine doesn't take that long. It looks like a lot, but it's actually done really quickly, and like I said, it's a great way to start your day the following day. And I know this sounds really silly, but if you've seen my morning routine, you know my kids wake up a little bit before us, and they'll come and get their iPads and come down here on the couch, probably like the same time, but I'm upstairs nursing Everly. But I do like them to come downstairs to a nice clean space, and for them to also start their day that way, because for me, like when I see stuff out, it just, I don't know, it's not the vibe that I'm going for. I like when everything is just nice and clean. It's never about being perfect. It's just kind of being able to have a clear mind. I have so much on my mind all the time. I am somebody that suffers from anxiety, so when my space is clean, it's just helpful. Alright, so now we are in the playroom, and there's some nights that I have the kids clean the playroom, and there's some nights that I'm just so ready for them to go to bed that I'm like, it's fine, I'll clean the playroom, instead of like having them take forever to do it. But we do pick up the playroom every night, whether it's myself, Chris, or the kids, but usually we do have the kids do it. But it was just one of those nights where I was like, okay, I'm ready for you guys to go to bed, love you so much, see you in the morning. So picked up those toys. I actually did look on the camera, and it took about 5 minutes, and then now I'm just going ahead and vacuuming again. I think this is actually therapeutic for me to vacuum in this room, because you know how I love vacuum lines. This room has the best vacuum lines, and this room is what you see as soon as you come down the stairs, so waking up to those beautiful vacuum lines is kind of nice. So now I'm just finishing up vacuuming. I'm going to vacuum up the living room. I love this blanket that I got from Target, but it sheds everywhere. And I have to be so careful because Evie puts everything in her mouth at this age. So she'll just like take little pieces of the blanket off and put them in her mouth. So even though I already did like our little robot vacuum, I still like to go in and just, you know, do whatever I can, because those little, I don't know what the material is, but it does like stick into the rug, so it's pretty, but it's annoying. So now I'm just picking up the rags and the drying cloths that I use throughout the day. I'm going to bring those upstairs. I threw them on the stairs. And right now I'm going to warm up some water for my tea, and then I'm going to head upstairs and switch the laundry. So at night, it is what it is. Like every night is different. It's never like this perfect night where I fold laundry every single night. My life just doesn't work like that. And sometimes I'm so just drained of everything I have at the end of the night that I just need to like veg out on the couch or just pass out into bed. So my routine is that I go into the laundry room on this particular night. I'm re-washing the same sheets that I already washed once because they smell like weird funk because I forgot about them. So re-washing those, whoops. And then in the morning or before bed, I'll switch them over. But I do go in the laundry room and either fold or at least switch the laundry in the evening. And last but not least, we always take out the trash every single night. So Chris will take out the trash and the recycling. And whenever I put a new bag in, I do just do like a couple of drops of essential oils because it really helps to make the garbage smell nice, especially when there's diapers and all of that kind of thing. Do you guys still use those diaper genies? I usually just put ours in like a bag and then put it in the garage, or just, I don't know. The diaper genies I feel like just stink no matter what you do, so I just haven't used them with Evie. I don't think I used them with Ella either. I can't remember. I think I stopped using them after the first two boys. Like as a fourth time mom, I was like, no, this thing, it just doesn't really work that well and it's annoying to take out. But anyway, I hope that you all enjoyed this video and that it motivates you to have a nightly routine. I didn't have a nightly routine until Carter was a little bit older, and it really did just like change my life. It sounds so dramatic, but it's true. It did just change my life to not wake up to dirty dishes in the sink and just have everything ready to go for us the following morning and get our day started on the right foot. But don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and leave any video requests down below.